Question 4.4. Use conditional formatting so that the names and surnames in column A and column B display with any fill color, only if the frequency in column G equals the frequency selected in cell B3. And the hint was that you need to use a formula in the conditional formatting feature. Right, so that's quite a difficult one. But if you know how formulas for conditional functions work, it's not that bad. So the basic thing is your selection should be on the cells that you want to apply the formatting on. So my selection will be my names and surnames. That's what I want formatted. I go to conditional formatting then, and I need to choose a new rule because a formula isn't available over here. New rule, I need to use a formula to determine which cells to format. The formula should be where the value in column G, and I only select the first cell, is equal to the value in B3. I then set the format and I change it to whatever fill color I want. Now the trick is here, because I only select the first value, I need to ensure that every time it tests the next row, it actually moves down as well. So I'm going to remove the $sign in front of the 6 because that's the one that makes it absolute, that makes it not able to move down. And then if I say OK, you'll see I have my names and my surnames highlighted every time it moves down to the next cell. I can show you another example. Let's say a bit of a simpler one. We want everyone's name to be highlighted or like in red if their age is above 30. I'll then select the names because that's the one that I want to apply the formatting to. And I will say new rule formula where the age, first click in the box, where the age is greater than or equal to 30. Format, and let's say I just want the font a different color, and I can then say OK. No, something went wrong. Let's try. Oh yeah, I'm silly. I didn't remove the absolute cell referencing for the row. So they're testing all of these names according to the first cell. So if I made a mistake like that, I can just go to manage rules and edit the rule that I've done already. So double click on it and you'll be able to edit it. And I want every row, every name to be tested on the next row, right? So I'm going to remove the absolute cell referencing for the row, but it remains for the column. Okay. Let's see if it works. Yes, so this 27 is not selected. This 29 is not in red. Okay, so it worked. Okay, hope that helps.